Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Astrid, where did Toothless go?
I don't know.
I don't get many things right the first time. In fact,
make sure he gets there.
I am told
I've never seen anyone mess up that badly. That helped.
Thank you, I was trying.
now I know all the wrong turns, the stumbles and falls brought me here.
Well done, Astrid.
Is this some kind of a joke to you?
Where was I before the day that I first saw
Whatever.
your love
I wouldn't.
face?
300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
Every day. And